In the evening, the shining meteors shine and then disappear in the sky. They are quite beautiful. Have you ever seen it? Now let us make a meteor ball. Do you know what is the latitude that you are located in? Now we can make a simple device, thus you can know your location according to the location of the sun. Nebula is made of the mixture of gas in planet space and the dust. Its shapes are quite different. Do you want to put them into your own bottle? Now it is time to achieve your dream. Let us start. Do you know the constellations? Constellations are groups of stars. Everyone has a zodiac sign. Do you know which one you belong to? The moon phases is the shining part which we can see in the world. In fact, its phases have some rule. Let us explore it. The spacecraft can help human beings to learn more about outer space which we cannot see from the Earth. Its speed is quite fast. Do you want to have your own spacecraft? Let us make it. Let us go to the solar system to see who is the superb one. Who is the largest? Who is the smallest? Who is the most beautiful? Wow! Let us make a judge and sort for them.